Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a beautiful faux mosaic table using colorful plastic film from Grafix. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a faux mosaic table. These plastic films are heat resistant and translucent, so they can blend with the colors that you place them over to create new colors. I'm keeping this simple, but there are no rules here. Layer your plastic pieces and add more tiles in between the flowers if you want to. Mosaics have a long history, starting in Mesopotamia in the 3rd millennium BC. I love traditional mosaic, but honestly, I don't have the patience to cut glass and work with tile grout, and this technique can be done in a day. I'm going to leave a link to Grafix and everything I used for this project. Make sure to cover your table overnight while it cures to keep it free of dirt and dust. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you might like the big ass book of home decor. And I will see you next week. Bye.